All That Cat. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Race number 5 here, Santa Ana Park. And the race is on. Hold That Cat from the outside, moving up by the Fierce and Fiery. Lucky Touch by the Jaiho Tiger Run, while Laun Laan is running at the tail of the field. Hold That Cat by Anek, followed by Lucky Touch in second, Fierce and Fiery. Tiger Run rushing about the outside, watching in fifth position. Jaiho by about 2 lengths down on the inside is Laun Laan, passing the half-mile post. Lucky Touch, Tiger Run to take the lead. Tiger Run, Lucky Touch, Hold That Cat. Then here comes Jaiho, Laun Laan, Fierce and Firing between runners. And at a far turn, Tiger Run by an act, Lucky Touch, Hold That Cat, Fierce and Fiery. Laun Laan, Jaiho in between runners, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santa Ana stretch run with Tiger Run the leader by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Jaiho. Laun Laan is running by the rail. Tiger Run, Jaiho is on the outside. Tiger Run still the leader, Jaiho, and nearing the finish line. Tiger Run, the horse of Mayor Ben-Hur Abalos. Jaiho, Laun Laan,